Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you 6 crock-pot recipes that are desserts. I absolutely love using the crock-pot to make dessert. It is so easy. If you're entertaining, you can throw this in the crock-pot and then you have a nice, warm, delicious, easy dessert ready to go. So they're wonderful. So I have 6 awesome recipes to share with you today. I am celebrating the whole month of October, celebrating it as Crocktober. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. You'll be seeing so many crock-pot recipes and you will love them all. They're so easy. They're all dump and go, which is my favorite. So make sure you subscribe. Let's check out these 6 dessert recipes using the crock-pot. This is going to be a brownie lava cake, and it is amazing. It is so rich, but it's really easy to make also. I have my brownie mix. I have 2 eggs that I will add in. I'm just going to make the brownie mix according to the package directions. I have 2/3 a cup of vegetable oil. I have 3 tablespoons of water. I'm going to give this a mix, and then I will add this into the crock pot and mix it all together. Really, really easy. So I am going to spray my crock pot with some cooking spray so that it doesn't stick to this crock pot. You can use a crock pot liner also if you would like to. That makes cleanup way easy. So I love crock pot liners as well. So I'm adding in this brownie mix. And now that I have the brownie mix layer, I am going to be making some chocolate pudding to add on top. And this is going to make this chocolate lava cake so good. And the topping is just amazing. So I have a packet of chocolate pudding and I'm going to use 2 cups of milk to make the pudding. So I will whisk this all together and then I will put this on top of this brownie mix. So really super easy, very chocolatey. If you're a chocolate fan, you are definitely going to love this. So I'm pouring that on nice and easily. I'm going to put a paper towel in between the crock pot and the lid to catch any condensation when it's cooking. So I'm going to cook this on high for 2 to 2.5 hours. You could do it on low for 4 to 4.5 hours if you'd like. So here it is all done, and oh my gosh, it is so great. The brownie on the bottom is absolutely perfect. This pudding on top is so great. You have to serve this with some vanilla ice cream, of course. It just makes this whole dish so good, and it's a huge hit. I'm going to be making an apple crock pot cake. This is going to be a caramel apple cake. So I'm adding in a can of apple pie filling. This is so great and it's so easy to use. So 1 can right on the bottom after my crock pot's been sprayed. Now I'm going to make the cake mix. So I'm going to use a yellow cake mix. I have 3 eggs that I'm going to add in to the cake mix. And I'm going to add in some water as well. So I have a cup of water. I'm going to add in my vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Give this a good mix. Combine this awesome cake mix batter. I'm going to pour this on top of this apple pie filling, the apples and the sauce. So pour this right on top. Super good. I'm also going to add on top of this some pecans. So you can use pecans or walnuts. I have 1/2 cup. I'm kind of chopping them up into some smaller pieces. I'm now going to add on some caramel syrup to make this a caramel apple cake. So just a drizzle of caramel apple syrup. I'm going to put this lid on, cook this on low for about 4 hours, and it is amazing. It comes out so good. Look how awesome this looks, and you don't even have to do much at all. You basically just throw all these ingredients together. The crock pot does all the work for you. So easy, so delicious. Really perfect for fall for this one. Add some whipped cream, of course. It's always great with these, and you are set. I'm going to be doing a pumpkin spice cake dump cake. So I'm going to spray the crock pot with this. And like I mentioned earlier, you can use crock pot liner if you would like to help make cleanup easier. So I have a pumpkin spice, or I have a spice cake mix. I have a vanilla pudding mix I'm going to add on top of the cake mix. I am going to also add on a can of pumpkin. So I'm just going to kind of dollop this on top so that it doesn't mess up too much with the cake mix and the pudding. And so it is going to be so, so good. So perfect for fall. I love anything cake mix and pumpkin spice mix during the fall. So I have melted butter that I'm pouring on top here. I'm going to add on some milk also, and then this is just such an easy dump cake. I love it, and the Crock-Pot just really helps make this amazing and then really quick and ready to go. So I'm going to put my lid on, put this on. You can do low for about 4 hours or high for 2 hours. And here it is, absolutely amazing, of course, with ice cream. So I have a chocolate lava cake with Devil's Food cake mix, which is, it's so, so good. I love Devil's Food cake mix, so rich. I have 3 eggs I'm going to add into the cake mix. I have some chocolate pudding as well, and this is going to make this cake mix just really so, so moist and just a really awesome like lava cake. So I have my milk, I have some vegetable oil, going to give this a good mix, and I will add this into the crock pot. So just really great, serving a nice warm dessert. Especially these desserts are so, so great with ice cream as well because they're so warm, and the combination with the ice cream is just so good with these. So I'm going to add in this chocolate cake mix into the crock pot. And then I'm also going to add on some chocolate chips to the top of this, which is optional. You don't have to, but I think it turns out really great this way. I'm actually using mini chocolate chips. I'm going to kind of mix them into the top a bit. I'm going to add a few more just to have it extra chocolatey. So I'm going to cook this on low for 4 hours, or you can do it on high for 2 hours, whichever you have time for. And here it is, so, so good. This one is a huge, huge hit. If you are a chocolate fan, this is definitely the way to go for chocolate cake. It just comes out perfectly. It tastes absolutely amazing. Have some vanilla ice cream or some whipped cream, and you are all set, good to go. This one is seriously, it's so good. So I'm going to be doing an apple dump cake, and so I'm going to spray my crock pot. I'm going to add in a can of apple pie filling. This is so great for fall and so great for these crock pot recipes, adding this onto the bottom. So this is going to be kind of like a crumb cake, really easy and just, like I said, so great for the fall. So kind of spread this out a bit. I'm going to add in some cinnamon, give this a really good fall cinnamon and apple flavor. So I have my cake mix that I mixed with melted butter, so it's all crumbly. Add that on top. I have half of a cup of chopped walnuts that I'm adding on top of here. And this is really, really so easy, so dump and go. I'm going to put my paper towel on top here to catch that condensation. And that's optional. You don't have to if you don't want to. I just think it works well for me. So I'm going to cook this on low for 4 hours, or you can do high for 2 hours. Look how awesome this turned out, and seriously so easy. I love it. Crock-pot desserts are so easy. They're so delicious. They're huge hits, which I love. So I love serving these to a crowd, and everyone will just rave. I have vanilla ice cream for this one, and like I said, all these are so great with vanilla ice cream or with some whipped cream or Cool Whip for sure. So good. Perfect for fall. Another one that's perfect for fall is this Angel Food pumpkin cake. 2 ingredients is all you need for this one. You might even have these 2 ingredients already in your pantry. So a box of Angel Food cake and a can of pumpkin. This is pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, and that's all you need, and mix this together. So I'm going to mix kind of slow because I don't want this Angel Food cake mix to kind of splatter and fly off. So start slow on this one. And here it is. It's like a whipped batter. It's seriously so good. So I have my crock pot. I'm going to spray it with my cooking spray, or you can use a crock pot liner if you would like to help clean it be a little bit easier. I'm going to pour this fluffy cake mixture into my crock pot, and this is just could not be any easier. So perfect for fall and just really great. This would even be great for Thanksgiving as well. A really great Thanksgiving dessert. So Here it is, cooked on low for 4 hours, or you can do high for 2 hours. And it is just so nice and fluffy and so tasty with the pumpkin and the angel food. We love angel food cake in our house. It is always a huge hit. So you can serve this with vanilla ice cream, Cool Whip whipped cream, your choice, and it is so good and so easy. I hope you enjoyed these Crock-Pot dessert recipes. I have more Crock-Pot recipes coming for you all month long of October, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a really great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.